If you've ever tried to send a big video on Telegram and wondered why it won't go through the usual way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method for sending a large video file on Telegram quickly and easily. This is really useful if you want to share long clips, high-quality videos, or large files without running into confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your device. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or Telegram web, depending on where your video is stored. Once Telegram is open, go to the chat where you want to send the video. This can be a private chat, a group chat, or even a channel if you have permission to post there. Now look for the attach icon. This is usually found near the message box at the bottom of the chat. Click on the attach icon to open your file options. After that, select the video from your computer or device. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the correct file, especially if you have multiple videos saved in the same folder. Once you've selected it, click Open. Telegram will now load the video into the chat window and prepare it for upload. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When everything looks correct, click Send to upload and send the video. Telegram will begin transferring the file, and once it finishes, the video will appear in the chat for the other person or group to view. And that's it. You've successfully sent a big video on Telegram. It's a simple process, but very helpful when you need to share large files fast. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide.